it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. I have a little Etsy update for you today. I had made these little flowers and I showed it in a video, I think it was 2 videos ago. I will link that down below for you. But they're my felted fiber flowers. I do different layers and I cut the base using my fabric or my Sizzix Big Shot, using wool blend felts and then adding different fibers with a needle felting method. And again, it's all in the video, but I did have some people in the comments saying that it'd be fun to have pin backs on them and adding them to my Etsy store, and that is what I thought I would do. I want to thank everybody who supports me on my Etsy store and my small business. It's just thank you. It just means the world to me. A little bit more about the pins. I do add the pin back, and it is a 1.5 inch pin back, and I hand stitch those on. Has a real homespun look to them. Just really fun, and a lot of shape to them, or dimension. The felting kind of does that to them, and they're just really cool. I wanted to say too, I added a couple Christmas ones. I just have a little bit of this red felt. I did order more, so I'll be adding more of these in the next week or so, because I really think they're going to be great for Christmas, especially on a black wool coat or something, or a bag, just to add a little Christmas bling to it. Also did my holly, a couple of my holly pins. I think I did a video on these last year, and I'll see if I can find it and link it down below. If not, I will make another video on these and include a free pattern for these little pins. These make a wonderful little, if anybody does craft shows or Christmas bazaars type of thing, maybe through your church or whatever, these do make a fun little, addition. Again, cute on a wool coat for Christmas. As far as the pins, most of the sizes are around 3 inches across. I do have some that are a little bit bigger. This is a 4 inch. And then these 2 irises actually are more closer to like a 5 inch. But that is it. Again, thank you so much everybody who supports me. Again, the link will be down below. I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. I hope you have a chance to create next week. I'm going to be adding another video next week as well. I don't know what kind of project I'm going to be doing, but I'll figure something out. Thank you everybody. Bye for now.